Yeah, so this past September, I went to Europe, and I got to see Paris, I got to see Rome, and on 9/11, I was in Barcelona, and I was walking downtown, and I wound up getting trapped in an enormous demonstration. It was huge, absolutely huge. I was just downtown, walking down the street, and just hundreds of people, thousands of people, started pouring out of buildings, storefronts, shops, and it was everybody. It was men, women, and children. It was old ladies. It was pregnant women. It was little kids. And everybody had these pots and pans. They were banging on them. And just so fired up and so excited. Now I'm from the United States, and so when I see that many people together, excited, fired up, there's like a clock in my head that just counts down where I'm just looking around and waiting for the cops to get there and just start beating the shit out of people. But it was the craziest thing. It was crazy. It was the largest demonstration I've ever been to in my life, and it was totally peaceful. So I later found out that it was 1.5 million people that took part in that demonstration, which is, if you can imagine the entire population of Manhattan pouring out of their offices and schools at noon, looting some pots and pans from Crate and Barrel, and having this enormous procession down Broadway to Bloomberg's office. It was that many people that were involved. And I found somebody who spoke English, and I asked him what was going on, and he tells me that they want to be a free country. So it turns out, news to me, apparently Barcelona really wants to get the fuck out of Spain. It's not that they're against the country of Spain. It's just that they don't want to be part of that system anymore. They're not against the country. They want to separate, like a divorce, only with millions of people. Which is kind of funny, because it's the city that people most associate with Spain and actually doesn't want to be Spanish at all. Anyway, it's part of a region called Catalunya, 8 million people, and they want to leave. And honestly, after seeing so many of them out there on 9/11, on that day, I kind of think they can do it. Seeing all that, all those people, poor people, middle-class people, rich people together, engaged, it moved me. And it impressed upon me that this was something that I should know something about. So I went online, I went to the library, and I started looking stuff up. I became a nerd about this stuff. So I know, for example, who the Black Virgin is. I know who La Caganera is. Mr. Fabra, Noi del Sucre. I know that Noam Chomsky is really into Barcelona because it went so hardcore anarchist in the 1930s. Okay, so why am I saying all this? Who cares? Well, on November 25th, the Catalans are going to choose a new president. And it looks like this guy, Artur Mas, of the Convergencia Party, is probably going to win. And he's pro-independence, and that's cool. And I'm happy about that. But after seeing that many people that engaged and that motivated and that together, it just seems like you could do something more. You know, not the same elite-controlled elections that every country has. Not the same choice between bad and horrible. Something new. You could start over. with a whole different kind of country altogether. Start over from scratch. So this is what I'm going to do. Everybody always says that no one in this country pays attention to any place else. I'm going to pay attention to someplace else. So every Tuesday, I'm going to post a new video about the Catalan struggle for independence. And I would appreciate it, good people of the internet, if you would help me tell others. So if you like what you see here, comment on the video, show it to your friends, show it to your grandma, post it to your Facebook wall, tweet about it, whatever. Just help me spread the word that democracy is coming to Catalonia.